Yo, what is good, everybody? I have a new platform for you today. Maybe it's just you've had bad luck with the meme coins. You haven't been able to get that 1000x that you want, and you're looking for a new way to do it. So we're going to be looking at a new bot over on it's Telegram. So this is a new bot that allows you to do leverage trading with up to 1000x leverage. So this is going to be similar to forex trading, things like that, if you've ever looked into that space, but you're going to be able to do that using this new Telegram bot called HuntEx. Seems like everything has an X at the end of it at this point. SwapX, HuntEx, all these other protocols with X at the end, but this one is going to allow you to get multiple X's. So welcome to the channel. My name is Crypto101, where my main mission is to help you to build your bags. Make sure that you comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell button so you're notified as soon as these videos are released, and let's go ahead and get straight into it. So this is going to be on Telegram at HuntEx bot. And I'm going to put it in the description section as well as the pinned comment. So definitely check that out. Now, I just want to go over the basics of how this works, some tips and things for you to know to really maximize your trading using this bot. So as you can see here, you're able to start trading and fully leverage the potential of 1000x. You are able to start earning immediately. And what you're going to do is you have to make sure that you make a deposit into this protocol first before you can do any trading. So how you do that is you get started by coming over here and starting the bot. So as you can see, I've started the bot. It is welcoming me here, and I'm going to come here to my wallet. So what this is going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to top up your wallet with USDT BEP20. So make sure you understand that you have to send USDT, not USDC, not DAI, not BNB, not I forgot what the stable coin for BNB even was. I never even hear about it anymore. But you're going to use USDT BEP20. So you're going to take that and you're going to send it here. So what it's going to allow you to do is you come here to deposit. It is going to give you an address that is specific to you, and it's going to allow you to deposit that USDT from your MetaMask, your Safe Wallet, your Rabby, whatever you use. There's also some different options here. You can deposit via ATM, deposit by a credit card, and then deposit via this other pay on host method here. But the easiest one that I've seen is the deposit USDT BEP20, which you're going to come here. It's going to give you an address here for you to send your funds from, and then it is going to allow you to be able to start trading with that. So the thing to know is, one, make sure it's USDT BEP20, so that's on the Binance Smart Chain. Also, it has to be a minimum deposit of at least $5, and as it tells you here, you will lose your funds if you send anything other than USDT on the BEP20 network. So please make sure that you understand that so you're not losing your money. You're also able to withdraw here as well. So once you have money in your account, you're going to be able to actually withdraw those funds, and you can do that pretty much the same way. You'll be able to withdraw it to whatever wallet that you're using, and then you'll have USDT in that wallet. You can click history here. It's going to tell your history of deposits as well as withdrawals, and that's going to be how you take money out of the protocol as well as put money back into the protocol. So if we come over here, we have tournaments here. So there is currently a tournament that is going on. So 10 winners will be splitting a prize pool of 1000 USDT. So if you come here and you do the minimum in terms of trading, so it tells you how to register, it tells you how to work. So this one is right here. So there's one that is currently available. It's active until May 8th. So you still got a little less than a week for this one. And you have to make sure you're trading in live mode, which there's a demo mode, which allows you to have pretty much fake money that allows you to trade. So that's good for getting started and understanding, where to do your stop losses, take profits, how to use it and everything, which I'm going to be showing you that today. So this is going to have to be in live mode, and you have to trade with real funds, and you have to make a minimum deposit of at least $5. And it tells you here how you can register. All you have to do is click here, and it tells you that you've successfully registered for the tournament. So if you're going to be using this protocol at all, definitely make sure that you go in here and register, so you at least have a chance of winning some of these prizes here based on who's leading the leaderboard. So if you click here, it'll take you to the leaderboard, and you'll be able to see where everyone ranks in terms of their trading. So whoever's been the best trader at that point is going to be at the top of the list. They also have a referral program here, which is going to allow you to set a link, which I'll put that in the pinned comment as well, so that you can access this link directly. And it's just going to be able to allow you to multiply your rewards by other people using your link, other people joining, things like that, so that not only are you giving them insight to this new protocol, you're also getting some reward from it. There's also a welcome bonus here, which is going to allow you, if you make a deposit of at least $10 and you earn $10 profit from any single trade order, then you'll actually get a bonus of $10 back to your balance. So just another way to, enhance your experience here. Make a deposit of at least $10, earn at least $10 by doing a single trade, no restriction on leverage, margin, or time, and then you're going to get 10 USDT back to your balance. There's a support tab here, which is where you're going to be able to go if you want to reach out to these people directly, just in case you have any kind of questions, issues, need any kind of help. They're going to be able to be here to help you with any kind of issues that might come up. Now, the main way to get started is once you have some funds in your wallet, you're going to come here to trade. And then as you see, it's going to open up the bot here for you. Now, this is going to look pretty similar if you've ever seen this before or done any kind of leverage trading. So as you can see, this is what I currently have in my demo account. I have funds in my actual account, but I definitely want to practice a little bit more before I start doing this, because I've done Forex trading before and it's really easy to make money, but it's also really easy to get wrecked if you don't have a strategy. So I'm working on tailoring my strategy and just fine tuning it before I actually use my own funds. The way to get started is, first I would come here. If you haven't already, make sure that you hit demo mode is on. If you're ready to take off the training wheels, you're ready to hop in here, then all you have to do is turn demo mode off, and then you'll be able to start using whatever funds you have deposited in your wallet from the first step that we mentioned in the video. There's liquidation lines that you can put here. You also can show your take profit and stop loss lines, which I'll show you how to set that up. And that's just going to be your general settings here. So you're pretty much leveraging with your trading in terms of the price of Bitcoin. So we know this thing has been up and down, up and down. With any kind of chart, you're able to change the time range on this. So right now it's at 1 minute. You could change it to 30 minutes. You could go even as low as 5 seconds if you're really wanting to see the movement with the chart. So you can really tailor that to whatever your preference is from a trading perspective. You have all your indicators here. So if you're someone who likes to set up Bollinger Bands, or you like to look at the averages, all the different things here, some different candles. Some people look at a lot of different methods of trying to really find the best way to read these charts. So you got all of that here. You can change your candles if you want them to be bars, hollow, line. All your options are going to be there, and that's just going to be general with any chart. But if you want to get started, you have to come down here, and as you can see, you have two options here. Either you can long, which means that you're betting on the price going up, or you can short, which you're betting on the price going down. Your margin amount here is going to be what you are actually putting into the protocol. So if I want to risk $5 here, and that's what I want to put in based off of my balance, then I would just hit that, or I could hit max, and then that would be my full balance that I'm putting here. Now, your leverage, this is super important. People see this sometimes and they go crazy. Now, your leverage is pretty much going to take whatever your margin is, and it is going to simulate that you have that margin times whatever your leverage is. So if you have 100 leverage here, and I put in $1, that means I'm trading with $100. Now you have to understand, as you increase your leverage, you are increasing your risk as well. So I know there's going to be some people who come in here, they say, hey, okay, I got $1,000, or we'll say that we'll have $1,000 here. I'm going to do 1,000 leverage. So that means that you are trading with $1 million worth of funds here. Now, you have to understand the risk of that. That means that you could win big, but you could also lose really big as well, because you're going to get liquidated at a range, which means that your funds are going to be lost, because based off of you trading with that much leverage, you have to be able to cover the funds for that loss. So that liquidation line, which is the point of which it's going to automatically sell for you, is going to be a lot higher. So if we come here, and I'm just going to do this because I'm using a demo account, I would never come in here and do $1,000 and 1,000 leverage, because it's just a lot of risk. Now, if you click down here as well, they allow you to set a percentage or a certain dollar amount for your take profit or your stop loss. So for example, if I want to take profit at 10%, and says it can't be lower than 15% of the margin amount, so we'll set it to be 20%. And then if I want to take my stop loss at, let's say, 50%, so that means that it would be a $200 gain that it's going to take profit at, and then it's going to sell at a $500 loss. Now, everybody's going to have their different ways of doing this, their different stop losses, their profit based on their risk tolerance. So just make sure that you have a good plan. Please use the demo account before you get in here and start risking your own funds. I'm saying this from experience because I have done leverage trading before, and I've made some money, but I've pretty much lost all the money that I've made just because I took a bad trade. I didn't have a plan. So make sure that you have a plan and that you have a good idea of how much risk you want to take with these protocols. Once again, you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money as well. Now, here are a couple ones that I took. So for example, this is one that I had that I was shorting Bitcoin. So I was saying that the price was going to go down. I did $1,000 in terms of what my margin was. I did 1,000x leverage, and I was able to make $683 really quickly. Now, once again, that could turn the other way, but in this case, that turned out really well for me. And you can see that we've had some profitable trades here so far. So I've shown you everything that you need to know here on this main screen. So right now, based on how it's looking on the chart, I'm personally going to short this a little bit, and I'm going to hit short, open a position, and then it's going to show you everything that you need to know. So it says position has been opened. It's going to show you your lines here in terms of your take profit, your stop loss. It is going to show you everything that you need to in terms of what levels have to be hit for those things to happen. So we'll wait for this. We'll see if we can hit our take profit line here. Boom. So as you can see, it hit my line that I had set for my take profit, and we can come down here and we can see it. I just made $179 from that easy trade. But once again, I was also risking a lot of capital, but I was able to make $179 in seconds. So that shows you the potential. If you really know what you're doing with this kind of protocol, it shows you the amount of money that you can easily make. And it's really that simple. That's the good thing about this kind of protocol, is there's not much to it. It's really just understanding the charts, understanding the TA, so the technical analysis, understanding what's going on in the market, so that you can make educated guesses really on what you think the price is going to do. So if you see a trend, like you see that it is creating lower lows, like if somebody would have just longed this up here, they would have made a good amount of money, but you can see how fast that it moves. So I really wanted to bring this to your attention. I'm definitely going to be covering this and letting you all know. I might even do a live video of me just kind of playing around with the live account and see how much money that we can make and how much we can build that account up. So definitely looking forward to that. As you can see hey, I'm glad to see that Bitcoin is actually moving up a little bit. It has been getting pounded the past couple of days. So good to see that's actually moving up. So this might be a good time to take a couple longs. But once again, this is not financial advice. I just wanted to show you how to use this new platform called HuntEx, which is a Telegram leverage trading bot that uses Bitcoin. Now, I've showed you everything that you needed to know: how to make a deposit, how to withdraw, how to get involved in the tournaments, how to use the actual application here to start longing or shorting positions with Bitcoin. So you have everything that you need to know, and you're well equipped to get those gains and to build your bag, of course. So make sure that you leave a comment on the video. Let me know what your thoughts are on the HuntEx platform. Let me know in the comment section. Make sure that you comment, like, subscribe. As always, hit that bell button so you're notified as soon as the video is released. And then make sure you're also supporting the social media channels that we have at SCrypto101. That is going to be X, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And then, of course, we have the Bag Builder Telegram that you can join, where I'll be posting some of my trades as well as some of the other platforms and protocols that we're in. As always, now you have everything that you need to know, and I'm going to continue to bring you this content that helps you to build your bags.